Alright, so how you do a throttle body spacer is it mounts here somewhere, and then you take these bolts that are here, and then you mount your throttle body spacer with some gaskets and bolts. So, and the wrench that you're going to need for this is a 13mm ratchet. Alright, so now I got this off, and now we're going to get the old gasket, spray with some cleaner, clean the throttle body, and then we'll put the new gaskets on and the throttle body spacer, and then that will be it, and then we mount this stuff back. So let's go. So now that I got that cleaned off, you get an idea. Take like a little razor blade and scrape off the excess around, make sure it's good and clean, and then you can put your new gasket on there. Surface clean. It'd probably be a good idea to take a razor blade and then scrape off the extra. All right, and there you go. We got new bolts, washer, and everything mounts up. Basically, factory is just a little bit higher up, and then there's your throttle cables and all that. Just mounts back the way it was. And now we just put the air cleaner back on it, and that's it. And plug everything back, and you just installed a throttle body spacer. And also when you're installing it, it's a gasket that goes on the bottom, and it's a gasket that goes on the top. Do not forget to mount those. And also, they're a little sensitive, so they might crack. So be careful when you do that. Anyway, that's it. That's a throttle body spacer on a 360.